Hello everyone, welcome to SSC Destiny. இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம continents, oceans and seas பார்க்க போறோம். There are 7 continents, 5 oceans and 7 seas. First of all நம்ம continents பார்த்திடலாம். Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, North America, Australia and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents of the world and 5 oceans. 5 oceans or a trick வந்து என்னன்னா பைசா. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Let me write in map. Arctic Ocean, here is the Arctic Ocean. Then Pacific Ocean, this is the North Pacific Ocean and South Pacific Ocean. North Atlantic Ocean, obviously இங்க வந்து South Atlantic Ocean. And here is the Indian Ocean. Southern Ocean. Then here is the Pacific Ocean. These are the 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and that's it. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Ocean and Arctic. The deepest point of Pacific Ocean is Mariana Trench. And Atlantic Ocean deepest point is Puerto Rico Trench. Indian Ocean deepest point is Java Trench. Southern Ocean deepest point is South Sandwich Trench. South Sandwich Trench. Arctic Ocean deepest point is Eurasia Basin. These are the questions that was repeated in Staff Selection Commission in previous year question papers. And some of the facts நான் இங்கே டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுறேன். என்னென்ன ஃபேக்ட்ஸ்னால் இப்போ வந்து பசிபிக் ஓஷன் தான் லார்ஜஸ்ட் ஓஷன் ஆஃப் த ரிமைனிங் 4 மெயின் ஓஷன்ஸ். Pacific Ocean is the largest, and Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean. Many ships, cargo ships, நிறைய cargo ships வந்து அட்லாண்டிக் வழியா கிட்டத்தட்ட அமெரிக்கா, ஆப்பிரிக்கா, யூரோப் அந்த வழியா வந்து they used to go. So Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean. And Indian Ocean is the vast. And next one, average temperature of all the oceans வந்து 39 degree Fahrenheit. degree Fahrenheit or 3.8 degree Celsius. The next one, Arctic Ocean is the smallest and the coldest ocean. Smallest and coldest ocean. These are the main facts which are repeated in SSC exams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe SSC Destiny. Thank you.